Hi friends, I'm Dr. Manvi and I'm Senior Consultant and IVF Specialist at Indra IVF. Today we are going to discuss about optimizing the success rate of IVF. But before we start the topic, I would like to say that we are fighting corona pandemic and it is very essential that you stay at home. Don't go out unnecessarily, and even if you have to go out, please wear mask and maintain a proper distance, because as you know, corona pandemic is again on its peak and it's very essential for us to stay safe at this point of time. So today we are going to discuss about optimizing the success rate of IVF. What we can do to increase the IVF success rate. We as a doctor and you as a patient, what all contributions we can do to increase the IVF success rate. See, IVF is not 100% and nothing in this world is 100%. We know that those people who are trying for IVF for a very long time and are facing failures are very frustrated and they are very depressed also. The patients who come to us always come up with this hope that they are always on the positive side of the result. But this always never happens. Optimizing the IVF success rate in today's world is a very vast and a glaring topic. So today I'll tell you as a doctor and as a patient what all we can do to optimize the IVF success rate. So as a doctor, what all I can do to increase your IVF success rate? I can always give you good quality injections so that we can get oocytes of good numbers and good qualities. We can do best scans for you to monitor the oocyte size so that the ovum pickup can be done at the right time. So the next important thing which we can do is you have to choose an IVF center which has good infrastructure and a good embryo lab. You should see that the IVF specialist who is there is experienced, the embryologists who are working there are experienced, who have worked in this field for a very long time and are giving good results. Other than this, we have seen that there are many IVF centers who are doing batching other than the regular IVF. As per the studies, the batching don't give such good results and it decreases the success rate. So I will always advise you to go to that IVF center who is regularly doing all the IVF. Secondly, it is very important to see that from patient to patient we choose the IVF protocol. It's going to be long agonist protocol, short agonist or antagonist protocol will depend upon the patient and what their needs are. So that is why I'm saying you should choose an IVF specialist who is very experienced with all this and who has a good knowledge of the IVF. And other than this, we can also give you medicines to strengthen the quality of the egg and the sperms so that before we use for IVF, we can just strengthen their quality as much as possible. Other than this, the most important thing is checking the uterus. Your uterus doesn't have any deformity. It is not didelphys, it is not biconvate or uniconvate, because that is also very essential for an IVF success. We also have to see the uterine lining. Not only the lining, the blood flow, the volume of the uterus is also very important to give IVF success rate. So all these things as a doctor I can see and optimize your IVF success rate. Now comes the point as a patient what all you can do to optimize the IVF success rate. You have to listen to your doctor very sincerely and carefully and follow each and every step. Each and every medicine, injections prescribed to you has to be followed without fail. Especially when you are taking injections at home. For taking injections, you have to maintain the cold chain of the injections. Cold chain meaning you have to maintain the temperature of the injections. Because if the temperature of the injection is not maintained, you will not get the good quality injection. And if the quality is not maintained, you will not get the success rate which we want. Other than this, you have to see that all your medical disorders like thyroid, BP, sugar, everything is under control. You should follow up with your physician for this. It's not that you are doing IVF, so you have to ignore these things. No, you don't have to ignore these things. In fact, you have to keep all these things under control. Then only you can get a good success rate in IVF. And the last and the most important thing for you as a patient which you can do is keep yourself cool. Keep yourself stress-free. Because if you are in stress, it leads to formation of hormones which have bad effect on IVF. And if that affects the IVF, you will never have a good success rate. And one more important thing, after the embryo transfer, when we prescribe you all the medicine, injections and gel, you are supposed to follow them very carefully. If you don't understand, you can ask your doctor, staff again and again about these things, because it is very important for optimizing the IVF success rate. So these I told you the points which I as a doctor and you as a patient can follow to optimize IVF success rates. Now there are certain advanced techniques which can also be done to increase your IVF success rates, like blastocyst culture. In blastocyst culture, we take day 5 embryos to be transferred to the uterus. Day 5 embryos are the strongest and the best quality embryos which can be transferred to your uterus to get a good success rate. We can also use laser assisted hatching. In this, the laser is passed across the zona of the embryo so that the zona gets thinned out. And once the zona is thinned out, the contents can very easily get attached to the uterus. One more advanced techniques which we are using nowadays is intralipids. It is basically used to, one more important and advanced techniques which has come into light is intralipid. It is basically done to overcome your immunological problem if you are having. And in few patients, we do tell about donor IVF cycle, especially in those patients who are undergoing IVF for a very long time and they are not getting results. We do prescribe them to go for donor eggs, as this also gives a good result. So these are the advanced techniques which can be chosen for increasing the IVF success rate. And so it is very important to choose an IVF center which has all these infrastructures, who have a very experienced embryologist and who have all these advanced techniques to increase your or optimize your IVF success rate. Because see, IVF is not 100%, but there are ways in which we can increase your success rate definitely. So at Indra IVF, we are basically dedicated to patient's care. We are giving best quality treatment, all the advanced techniques to get good results, especially for those couples who are childless and want to go ahead with the parenthood. So we will again meet. Thank you.